WinRS is a very versatile concealed cistern that allows different installation heights. 1 meter in case of standard height installation, 88 centimeters in case of a lower height is needed, 80 centimeters from the finished floor level in case an under window installation is required. Thus, WinRS cistern can be adapted to any installation requirements. Inside we find the following components, ordered according to the water flow path. The first element is the shut-off valve, made of polymeric material and removable for maintenance. It is equipped with 2 sealing O-rings that guarantee the watertight and the brass half-inch swivel fitting that facilitates the connection to the water supply line. The second component we encounter is the float valve, which is directly connected to the shut-off valve without flexible hose. In fact, it uses a quick connection by means of a ring nut and 2 O-rings. The float valve can be removed manually and without tools, and it is produced using materials that hinder the formation of limescale. If necessary, it is adjustable to allow an easy setting of the water volume. The standard setting, which is 6 liters for the full flush and 3 liters for the half flush, can be set to 4.5 and 3 liters, or for approved toilet bowls, even to 4 and 2 liters, thus considerably reducing water consumption. Inside we also find a filter that retains impurities in order to preserve the functioning of the closing membrane. The float valve is tested at pressures up to 30 bars to simulate water hammer. The heart of the cistern is undoubtedly the outlet valve, consisting of a safety overflow, the central stem, and a counterweight with the function of the half flush. It allows regular operation, automatically adapting to different toilets, and thanks to the materials used, it is not affected by the water hardness. In this regard, the bottom gasket is made of silicone, always guaranteeing closure even in case of water with hardness up to 90 French degrees, chlorine water, very hot up to 60 degrees Celsius, or very cold, even close to 0 degrees. The last internal element we are going to analyze is the central block, which has 2 functions. It keeps the valve in a vertical position during its floating, and it acts as a reinforcement element in correspondence with the inspection window, always allowing easy maintenance. In addition to this, the central block acts as a support for the pneumatic kit. All the components we have described so far have been designed according to a logic of ease of maintenance and can only be mounted in one way, thus ensuring correct operation of the cistern. After having seen the internal components, let's now take a look at the container. The shell is molded using a polypropylene-based compound with the addition of mineral fillers, a sound-absorbing material that reduces noise during the filling phase. With the 5 mm anti-condensation cover, the thickness of this cistern is 12 centimeters. The protective box is fixed to the container, a fundamental element during the first phases of masonry and cladding. This case is fixed to the body of the cistern by means of 4 screws to prevent construction materials from falling into the box. This element also helps to properly cut the wall finishing. To meet the different installation needs, WinRS is available in the following versions: in-wall for masonry walls and floor standing toilets, fixed system for masonry walls and wall-hung WCs, block for light walls such as plasterboard or wooden structures, freestanding block to allow the installation of the frame also in open space, without the need of side anchors. All the versions for suspended sanitary ware comply with the EN 997 standard, which requires resistance to a 400 kilos load. WinRS can be operated either with a mechanical plate by means of a direct or remote pneumatic control, or with an electronic push plate. Next to the front mounting plate, WinRS offers the possibility of mounting the plate in the upper position, so we have a useful option in case of a reduced height installation. In addition to the standard push plates, the Valsir design product line is also available. Our design plates have a soft pneumatic activation and give the bathroom a pleasant aesthetic touch. Finally, the WinRS concealed cistern can be combined with the AreaPur ventilation device, a particularly effective odor and humidity extraction system which determines a high level of comfort in the bathroom.